This is our autographed jersey break. It is a 2-jersey rip. And we've got our owner list right here. We're going to multiply this by 8. And we're going to start randomizing our first list, which will be the owner names 7 times. Then we'll randomize the checklist players 7 times and stack the 2 lists up side by side. And see who gets matched up with which player. Good luck in the break. In the 2-jersey rip, Gold Rush. Ho! Gold Rush jerseys. Here we go. Lucky number 7. What is it going to be? Noah T., you're at the top of the mountain. Noah. After 7, that's our owner random. And now it's time for our player random. Seven times. What is it? Who is it? Lucky number 7. Wayne Gretzky. Oh my, that's a good one to see at the top of the list there. And moving on down the list, Gordie Howe for Alan B. Larry Bird, Christopher F. Shaquille O'Neal, Noah. Troy Aikman, all kinds of big possibilities. Let's see what happens in the rip. Ken Griffey Jr., Jermaine Y. There's Dan Marino. John Elway. We're talking about a John Elway. I got a good feeling about Elway or Namath coming up. Elway or Namath. There is Walter Payton, Noah. There he is. There's Michael Jordan. All right, we got a Bob Lilly prediction. All right, let's go ahead and rip it. Oh my gosh. There we go. Can't even get it open. Jersey number 1. Here we go. Jersey number 1 is Ho! Raleigh Fingers, Oakland A's jersey. Raleigh Fingers, JSA certified. Who has fingers? I know you guys got fingers, but you know what I mean. Oh my goodness, here we go. Raleigh Fingers is owned by Noah T. Congratulations. Noah T comes away with a nice one right there. Way to go, Noah, with autographed jersey number 1. Sweet hit coming out of the break. It is a Raleigh Fingers. All right, number 2. Way to go, Noah. Jersey number 2 is Gold Rush Jersey Rip. Green Bay Packers owner Paul Hornig. Ho! Legend of Green Bay. Nice hit in the break. Well, who has got Hornig going through here? Oh, I can see it right now. It's Noah T. Congratulations. Wow, coming away with a sweep in the 2-box break. Way to go, Noah. Nice hit.